you got this God's Gang flyer you handed me, and there's got 3. I'm drawing a blank today. QR codes. Yeah, thank you. You'd think I'd been doing drugs. So you got a merch store. All this is on Facebook. We'll post this flyer. So the event is the Black Balloon Day. You got food trucks coming, you say?
Yes, sir. That's just picking out.
Is it in a parking lot at Exodus?
Yes, sir. Hopefully it doesn't rain.
Yeah.
But
if it does, we'll be.
Moving
still be
inside.
there. Yep, we'll still be there.
So it's, I'm grateful to be able to do this. Like you said earlier, we are miracles being here. I mean, everybody is. You, all of us.